Hey, what's going on, traders? Hope you all having a good time. I'm on my unicorn here in my pool, chilling. I would love to take my shirt off, but I can't because YouTube don't want to see me naked. I don't know why, man. Anyways, guys, today's giveaway time. As I said, guys, you can win the Genius Trading Masterclass. I'm gonna pick 3 winners today. If you're already inside, you can win a $10,000 FTMO challenge. And guys, I just posted another student of mine who was able to make more than $10,000 within his first week with his $100,000 funded trading account. That means he's not trading with his own capital, guys. He just showed a prop firm that he can trade. He got a $100,000 trading capital account, and he was able to manage to make more than $10,000 in profit. No, around $10,000. It was a little bit less than that. I think 9,600 or something. And yeah, all he did, guys, was studying the masterclass, put in the work, then set up a strict game plan, straight risk management. And yeah, he said the masterclass changed the game for him, and the masterclass can change the game for you as well, guys. And yeah, help you to make life-changing amounts of money with trading, guys. And that's the goal. And this is what I got for you today, guys. I'm gonna pick 3 winners. We get in front of the computer. I'm gonna pick 3 winners from my last 3 YouTube videos. So if you've dropped a comment, make sure to stay tuned to check if you are one of the lucky ones. And yeah, if you're already inside, guys, I'm gonna fund your $10,000 challenge in FTMO to get started. So let's get straight into it, guys. All right, guys, now it's time to pick the winners, the 3 winners for the Genius Trading Masterclass course. I will put the link to the course inside the description. Make sure to check it out, check the course curriculum, and of course, make sure to check out some students' feedbacks over the last few years. Yeah, go over it if you're really thinking about starting a career as a trader, or if you are a losing trader, if you're looking for consistency in your trading game, then you should really check it out, guys, because this is the real deal. So I'm gonna pick 3 winners now. Let's start with this one over here. This one was the oldest one that I've posted, I think last week somewhere. And yeah, let me put it in, fill the duplicate users, and let's see, 17. Let's check it out. How many unique comments do we have on that one? Around 500, guys. So who's the first winner? Donovan Cairo, my G. Check the link down below in the description. You will find a link to my private Telegram chat. Make sure to make a screen record video with your phone or whatever, and show me that you can edit this comment, okay? Make sure to edit this comment over here and send me the video, okay? And yeah, then I will put you inside the inner circle, inside the Genius Trading Masterclass, put you inside the group chats with all my students, and yeah, we can get it started. So the second one, what we have in here, this one, I think this one got not so many comments, so here the chances to win are much higher, guys. Let's see how many unique comments we have over here. 367. Okay, let's pick the winner. And the second winner is Juan Ha. Juan Ha. All right, for you the same thing, buddy. Make sure to drop me a private message in Telegram and show me that you can edit this comment. And then you're gonna get the masterclass and all that good stuff that you need to make some money in the markets. Let's get it. Again, number 7. Okay, let's see. 487 unique comments. That's good. That's good. That's good, guys. So let's pick the last winner for today. Man, I'm giving away millions of dollars of knowledge right here, guys. Oh yeah, Steve, you got it, man. You can't wait. You don't need to wait anymore, man. You're inside, buddy. Thank you for all your support, guys. Really love you. I really love you all, and I hope you all had a profitable trading week last week. I hope you're gonna have another profitable trading week this week. I'm not gonna be so active this week because I have two friends over here. They make 1 week vacation here in my house, and we're gonna have some fun, so I'm not be too active, but I'm trying to get back to your chats for sure. Try to help you out, guys, when I have time in the evening. And yeah, let's get it cracking the next week, guys. I'm really motivated to smash the markets this month. I'm telling you, guys. I mean, this week I won't be so active, but man, we're gonna make a lot of money this month. Yeah, man, let's get it. Wish you all the best, guys. Enjoy your rest of the day. See you in the next one. Peace! Play me blue.